Are you someone who values their smile and is ready to renew their confidence through expert dental care? We understand that life sometimes gets in the way of maintaining perfect dental health. Many of our well-educated patients have faced complex dental challenges simply because they didn't experience immediate pain. That's where our expertise comes in. We believe that every patient deserves a personalized approach to their dental care. While some dental offices might suggest removing all of your teeth and resorting to dentures, we advocate for preserving your natural teeth whenever possible. We don't want you to take your teeth out at night if we can avoid it. Our passion lies in transforming complex dental cases into success stories. We call these comprehensive treatment plans full mouth reconstructions. They are some of our most gratifying work. Witnessing the transformation of a patient who believed that dentures were their only option into someone with a complete, natural, and confident white smile is what we live for. To achieve this transformation, we concentrate on 4 crucial areas. The first is gum health. Just like the foundation of a house, healthy gums and strong bone support are the pillars of dental health. As we age, we all become more susceptible to gum disease. So we invest time and effort into restoring and maintaining gum health throughout your life. Second is teeth condition. We meticulously address cavities, repair broken or missing teeth, and bring back the functionality you deserve. Third is bite alignment. Proper alignment is key to the longevity of your teeth and restorations. We ensure your bite is just right so that your dental work stands the test of time. Fourth is aesthetics. We understand that your smile is not just about function, but also about feeling confident. Our goal is to give you a smile that's not only beautiful, but also natural. We want your friends and family to admire your beautiful smile without ever questioning it. We're here to sit down with you, discuss your unique situation, and chart a path to the smile you've been longing for. I welcome you to our office to talk about your smile goals. We look forward to meeting you.